We're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and spin. Do it again, pick up the back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, lead her out. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We taught you guys a fun little pattern called the Flamingo.
Yep.
I always want to call it Flamingo.
That's the bird.
So this is a very traditional swing pattern that comes from shag. You see it all the times in Jack and Jill's and in old routine patterns. The reason we taught you guys is because it incorporates a lot of different footwork aspects, even though it is extremely difficult.
Yep.
Okay. So each part. So I'm going to do the lead part. We're just going to do the follow part. Okay. So yeah, I'll go on this second.
So we're gonna do it so that like if you're watching the video, you can do it with us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So leads, we're going to start with our left foot free, follow to the right foot. We're going to go tap, step, brush, step, tap, step, kick, ball, change. Now here we're going to squeeze our legs together, keep them straight for a spin for 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Now from here we can repeat that. To count, so this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now, this pattern is kind of leadable. Your partner has to know the sequence to be able to pull it off successfully. We try to start off in closed position. We try to start it on a 1. So to initiate, I get in closed position, I twist and I drop, trying to bring my partner down to create that knee pop. If your partner knows this sequence, this is a very clear signal to then continue on to the rest of it. So once we do it once, so this is 6, we're going to do our spin. We're going to go 7 and 8. I'm going to pick up the back and repeat for 1 and 2. So here we're going back, keeping our hands on the back as we step away for the brush, step, tap. Our hands are going to slide down so that when we do this, if we wanted to repeat, we can do it again. To exit is when we do the brush, step, tap. We're going to do a step, kick, back, forward, bringing my partner down flat. And then I'm just going to be a double barrel roll behind the head. That'll vary depending on the spinning ability of your partner. So all the way through, we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and spin. Do it again, pick up the back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, lead her out. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good job, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys, for sticking with it.
Yeah.
Hope it didn't fry out too much.